Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Cora and this is Cora's Creative Corner, and today I am working on our back patio. It has been years since we moved into our home, and when we first moved in, we knew that we had this concrete slab in the back that we had intended to put an enclosure on. Now, funds come and go, and we just didn't really have the budget for it, but luckily my uncle and him and his wonderful team have helped me out here. I'm so grateful and blessed to have had him to help me through that process as far as pulling permits and making sure that I had everything in line. So that way, this is not just a slapped on structure, it's actually done right. We pulled permits for it. He had all of the structural things, all the drawings pulled up, everything was done properly. It just passed inspection today. So that is why I thought it would be the perfect time to go ahead and start this video. So as soon as he told me that that was happening, I almost started crying because our AC is as old as this house. It's over a decade old and it is dying on us on a regular basis. Like, I have a family relationship with the air conditioning guy. No joke. Joe, if you're out there, thank you. So our AC unit is about to die on us, and it has been killing inside with the heat, especially coming on the outside of our living room, which has these really tall glass sliding doors which lead out to that back slab. And so that is the part that got enclosed. And when they say Rome wasn't built in a day, I beg to differ, because my back patio sure was. It feels like Rome. I feel like royalty. It is all built and put up, and then I decided to do some pressure washing to get rid of some of the metal shards because I thought that'd be a bright idea. And then while I was doing that, I was getting up some of the grime that I should have done prior to the build, but neglected to do, so I had to do it after the fact, and I wanted to just get everything off of the concrete that was in there and get that nice and cleaned up so that I could kind of start decorating. In that process, I stupidly stuck my hand in front of the pressure washer, and that is some high pressure water. That is painful. I thought it went through my hand. It was stupid. I was holding something and using the pressure gun to clean it, and then the water took the thing. It took off with the water and the pressure, and my instinct was to reach and try to catch it before it took off. And when I did that, I reached my hand through the stream of the high pressure water, and it just sliced the skin right off my hand. And it is, I don't want to show you guys underneath here. It looks small from this bandage, but it has another bandage underneath that's covering a lot of it too. But all of this skin right here is basically exposed. And underneath, you can see the fatty layer. It's pretty bad. It took it all off. I didn't want to get demonetized, so I'm not showing you guys. Instead, you're gonna get Owlette from PJ Masks. What's up? So that happened, and then I found a rug at Walmart, which I thought was perfect for indoor and outdoor. It is double-sided, and it has the white side and the black side. I couldn't decide which side I wanted, so for now I went with the black. You guys decide. Let me know down below. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like with the white side laid down and then the black side laid down. I went with the black. You tell me what you would have gone with. It just kind of goes more with my aesthetic. I pulled in the back little couch setting that we had for our back area because we already had that, and we had already repainted that previously, so you can see clips there. I don't use spray paint often, but this was one of those rare occasions where I do, and it worked out nicely. So it gave this nice little back patio set a clean little makeover.
Kitty is gone.
Thanks, boo. Let the cats out. Come on. Come on. Come on. You guys want to come outside for the first time? Come on. Come check it out. Yeah, for you. Go ahead. It's a little wet. They might not like the bottom of it. Come Come on, Legend. Oh my god, he doesn't want to come? He's like a little nervous. There you go.
We can eat dinner out here.
You want to?
Yeah.
Okay.
See you later. I think they like it. Sketch. Lennon still looks terrified. He's like, what if you put me through? Why am I here? Get me out, please. Hello, you two.
You like it, buddy? You like it? Yeah. Okay, fun fact. One time, Sketch locked us out and saved us. See these rails here? We have this pole, like we haven't finished the flooring, so don't mind that. We have this pole here that goes into this tracking, and we were outside and we had closed the door, and he slipped the pole into the tracking and we were locked out. The front door, the garage, everything was locked. Then this string here was loose, so we kept like playing with it like this to get him to bat at it, and he finally batted at it so much that he knocked the bar back out so that we could quickly get the door open, and he rescued us and saved the day.
He also trapped us.
Yes, it was insane.
Daddy barely believed it.
I know, I don't think anybody really believed it, but it was true, right?
But it was true. We are the only ones that witnessed it, besides Jackson.
And it was scary because it was hot, and we had no means of communication.
Like, if it lasted until Daddy got home, he could have, like, seen, like...
He would have been looking for us, like, where's everybody? You got white paint on your face.
Yeah, that's because I was...
Your hands, too.
Yeah, I was finishing that paint.
All right, well, let's leave them out here for a little bit. Let them explore. You want to get them a bowl of water and put it out here for them? So we found this pillow, which was about $5. And it's so cute. It goes perfectly with the little aesthetic that we're going with. And then we found this indoor and outdoor rug. And it is reversible, so if you see on the other side, it is the white. That's the side that I'm going for. I don't want such dark one, but yeah. Just want to show you guys the style. This one get that. Here you go. Do we like the black side or the light? I don't know, guys. I'm a little I think I'm gonna do the black for now. See what we think. Also picked up these cute little things to put in my little planters over there. Oh, my son put a little removable tattoo on my arm. But anyways. And then I added a couple of my little touches. A little pillow here or there, and a couple little plant holders here. And then my dad gave me this awesome ficus that he had been kind of growing for me at his house because it's just so hot at my house. Everything seems to just dry up and die. So now that we have this little greenhouse area in the back, I can finally grow my herbs much better. Like, I had a full grown garden going like last year, but this year has been so hot. Nothing has been surviving. I don't know why. Even my tomatoes didn't survive this year's crop. So it's been a really rough year as far as my vegetation and crops go, which sucks because that's something I take a lot of pride in. But because of that now, it has been solved. I can start putting my plants now in the back area here with a little bit of shade to help control the temperatures. And it's also turned into a catio. Our cats are obsessed with this back patio area. They literally scratch at the door every morning to go out. My cat Legend spends most of his day out there, and then in the evening he knows he has to come in, so he comes in. But it's actually been kind of nice. It's kind of been exhausting them a little bit more during the day, so they're sleeping more at night instead of getting into shit at night, because mostly they normally get into stuff, and it's kind of a pain in the butt for us because I am a light sleeper and I hear everything. So every time they're into something, I hear it. And lately they've just been sleeping at night. It's been kind of nice, just saying. And then my grandpa actually had this grill that he had given to my dad. My dad wasn't utilizing it, so thank you, Grandpa. I made it over to my house. Here's the ficus that my dad gave me. I need to figure out where it will best thrive, so we will figure that out because I see a couple of leaves are turning, so I don't know if I'm watering it too much or too little, but I was reading that they are finicky and that if you water them too much, they will get bad, or too little. So I think right now I'm just kind of testing it out. The soil looks good, so we'll see. And then we've got our smoker grill here and our starter there, which we needed to get it going. And so far I'm kind of just leaving it like this. The cats have been really enjoying coming out here and sitting on the couch and looking out and smelling everything. And then I need to repot my aloe plant here. I've kind of been using the aloe for my actual wound on my hand, but I want to repot it because there's a lot of mini ones growing, and I want to put it into all these little things here. And then I have some candles that I want to put in there that are battery operated with a little remote, and then I'll kind of put them all around in here. I need to sweep up or blow out those leaves, and yeah, that's about it for now. We're going to kind of leave it simple and basic and uncluttered because that's kind of what we're trying to do, is declutter stuff. We're working on pulling out the boat stuff too. If you see that, we've begun pulling out the flooring, so that project is underway. And yeah, just a little update. Time to wash off all the gunk. Not perfect, but much better. Compared to the other side, I mean. Compared to this side, much better. Time to do the other side. All done. Much better. A little foggy out because it's so humid and it turned the lens, but well guys, that's all I'm gonna be doing for now. I think I'm just gonna wrap the video up here. I'm gonna do some more cleaning up. Obviously I need to get some of the leaves out. So yeah, we're just gonna kind of leave it like this. I'm gonna end the video here with this as the finished status for now. But the next steps that we are going to do is clean out all these tracks really well, repair the screen that has come loose over here because I don't want that to be coming off, but the cats have kind of started scratching on this one. I don't want them to get into a habit of scratching on any of the other screens, so I don't know if I'm going to just take the screen off there or what. But I also need to finish the flooring here and figure out how or what kind of a transition I'm going to be doing from outside into here. I need to get some sort of a metal thing and put the correct sizing of the plank there, and then put the little edge piece that goes there, and obviously really clean out these tracks very well. You wanna come in? You wanna come in? You wanna come inside? No, you're just enjoying yourself? Okay. Okay. Okay, what'd you make, big boy? But yeah, the kids started school this week. My little man started kindergarten, so I've just been kind of cleaning furiously around the house, getting everything kind of ship shape, getting our art wall ready for all of his little kindergarten art, which has already started. Oh my god, look how cute. I can't handle it. I love it so much. But yeah, so house is pretty clean. I've kept myself pretty busy. And yeah, I've got all the comforters in there getting washed. And I think I'm just gonna sit down and edit this video. All right, guys, bye. Well, guys, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you liked this little back patio makeover. It's something that I have been dreaming of and have been living out in now every day. I can't wait for fall and winter to come so we can really be enjoying the outdoors now with having a little bit of a mosquito barrier, because here in Florida there are mosquitoes year round. I don't care who you are. Sorry if this background and setting looked familiar. I figured that since my hair and makeup was on fleek, I'd go ahead and do the intro and outro for a couple of videos, because I don't always look so good in camera ready because I don't do my makeup much. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.